Oh my gosh. What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
Honestly, me and the wifey got into it. I went through the phone. I seen something I ain't like.
Oh my
And then she
gosh.
tried to lie about it. But I seen it. And she seen it. But still try to lie about it. I got angry. And, that. Can you try to recover that? I hope so. I mean,
I'm not sure. But don't worry. I got you.
I say you got this. You're the magic man.
This doesn't look good. I don't know. Hopefully his main board is good so we can take the board and put on the new housing. Damn, look at this. I'm not sure if his Face ID is gonna work. Somebody worked on this before. Surgery time. Metro. Main board looks okay, but we're gonna see. And this is garbage. We cannot use anything on this one. I have to put new housing, new battery, new camera, and new back. It doesn't look damaged. I'm gonna try. He's missing that one, so I'm gonna put it for him. Looks good. Time to put everything on new housing. Moment of the truth. Nothing coming. That's a good sign. Your phone is ready, sir.
Jeez.
Now it's good to go. Look at that. You got almost like brand new phone, man. There you go.
Thank you, boss man. I appreciate you, for real.
You're welcome.
I ain't think it was possible.
You're lucky, man.
Thank you.
Be careful next time.